So let there be no doubt. The situation for the Palestinian people is intolerable. So let there be no doubt. The situation for the Palestinian people is intolerable. Olga found this to be intolerable. She wanted to speak out. She wanted people to know the truth about what was happening in her country. Or, as Mel Brooks explains it, look at Jewish history. Unrelieved lamenting would be intolerable. Even if it was possible, a program of mass deportations would disrupt our economy and communities in ways that most Americans would find intolerable. Whether out of inertia or selfishness, whether out of fear or a simple lack of moral imagination, we so often spend our lives as if in a fog, accepting injustice, rationalizing inequity, tolerating the intolerable.